explosive what? Oh, should not press R. Should not press R. Ever. Actually, let me go into my controls and just like, yeah. G. Or like, K. Or like, P? P. P. Yeah, that's fine. What else is P? That is important. Socials interaction screen. Yeah, perfect. P's perfect. I'm never gonna press P. So we can die all we want. For now. Oh shoot. Shit!
We understand no one here. Oh wait, Super Gaming's full dead now, huh?
Yeah. Why did you kill me?
What do you mean? You murdered Caleb in cold blood.
He voted me first.
I don't care. I think you're wearing my shoes.
Hold on, let me just look at the social interaction screen.
Oh no, my my
Oh!
damn you! My shoes were diamond cut for cursive vanishing.
I don't
It did
know.
for me. I would have died multiple times if I didn't just keep on leaving and rejoining. I did it like 4 times before it finally
I need to
stopped.
look at my social interactions menu.
Ow!
Oh, get rid of his race! Get rid of his race! He did it again! Get rid of his race!
So, super, you're out.
I'll win.
Hilarious.